Bullish Axie boundlessness cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $31.64 and $68.91 by 2030. Market examiners accept Axie could reach $31.64 by 2025. Bearish Axie endlessness market cost expectation for 2022 is $5.63. Axie boundlessness presentation. Axie boundlessness is a computerized pet local area that joins the best of blockchain innovation with customary gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure certifiable prizes. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. Nonetheless, what makes Axie endlessness special is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axie. These Axies can be exchanged, reproduced, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie endlessness? Axie vastness is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be collected from parts. The game elements a broad thing shop where players can utilize the in-game cash, Axie, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with interactivity. There is likewise a milestones mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thusly based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Neural Connection Games, and has since seen a consistent expansion and ubiquity. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Beginning, which added another world guide, mission framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new happy and highlights a normal premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and compelling pet recreation game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie limitlessness. Axie boundlessness central examination. The group behind Axie boundlessness is extremely capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for north of 2 years and has a huge local area of dynamic clients. Axie limitlessness is one of the most well-known games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top DApps by day-to-day dynamic clients. The game areas of strength for has, with a very much planned economy and various ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 particular body parts accessible for these Axies, including amphibian, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any mix of body parts, making them truly inconsistent and much of the time unprecedented and extraordinary. Parts from each sort class have 4 separate unique case scales: normal, interesting, very uncommon, and unbelievable. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with the quantity of Axies, dissimilar to a few other blockchain-based battling and reproducing games. Proprietors of Axie tokens can before long stake their tokens to get predictable payouts. Holders of Axie will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie vastness shards. Axie vastness shards, the biological system's own administration token, are another part. These are utilized to partake in critical administration choices and will give holders a say in how cash from the Axie People Group depository is used. Non-fungible token. Each Axie is a non-fungible token with exceptional characteristics and capacities that can be utilized in 3v3 battle. The triumphant side acquires insight focuses, which are then applied to stepping up an Axie's details or advancing its real parts. These Axies can be crossed to make new, unique posterity that can be used or traded on the Axie market. Axie and SLP. Both Axie and SLP are Ethereum network tradable ERC20 tokens. The Axie limitlessness environment utilizes 2 essential tokens, smooth love elixirs and Axie boundlessness shards. As the local administration badge of the stage, Axie holders partake in Axie's decentralized association and can impact how the stage creates. For instance, by deciding how the environment asset ought to be appropriated or how depository cash ought to be utilized. Then again, SLP is acquired through gameplay and might be applied to the rearing of youthful Axies. Administration. The decentralized administration model of Axie boundlessness is planned to permit Axie partner support in some stage improvement decision. Axie boundlessness current cost. Axie boundlessness is at present worth $7.03 USD. Axie has moved 2.38% as of now with an exchanging volume of $37,229,102. Axie boundlessness is at present positioned 56 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $675,866,433 USD. Axie boundlessness value expectation 2022. Axie boundlessness, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Axie cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $10.55. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $9.84 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $8.44. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Axie Vastness Axie cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $17.58. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Axie's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $14.06 and a typical exchanging cost of $15.47. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $24.61 and Axie might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $22.50 and a low of $21.10 in 2024. Axie Boundlessness Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Axie Boundlessness effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2025. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $31.64, with a base cost of $28.13 and a typical cost of $29.53. Axie Endlessness Value Expectation 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Axie cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $36.57 by 2026, with a base cost of $35.16 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Axie has a most extreme value worth of $38.68. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $43.60. On the off chance that Axie figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $45.71. Neglecting to assemble the help Axie needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $42.19. Axie Vastness Value Expectation 2028. While Axie is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $49.22 and a yearly cost close above $52.74 in 2028. Axie Limitlessness Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Axie Limitlessness will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $56.26 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $59.77, averaging out at $57.66. Axie